Before you talk about stocks, bonds, or real estate, there is something that you already own that most people don't even put value on it, or they underestimate it. In fact, for most people, that is their most valuable asset, and that is human capital. What is human capital? It is the ability to earn income through your skills, knowledge, experience, and capacity. Your ability to earn income through your skills, knowledge, experience, and your capability. Now, that is the value of you in the marketplace. Now, the most important thing is that unlike financial assets, that you have to buy something, for this one you are born with it. But of course, what you are born with is the raw material or the raw foundation of these assets. You have to develop it. So most people think that investing starts when they buy something, but in reality, your first investment is yourself. Now, everything else comes after that. What are the components of human capital? Human capital include, number one, your education and knowledge. Number two, your professional skills. Number three, your communication skills, your communication ability. Number four, your problem-solving skills, your emotional intelligence, your discipline, and your execution power. These are all part of human capital. And they all determine your earning capacity in the marketplace. They all determine how you can earn. Now, this matters more than most people realize, because before you can invest money, you need to generate money consistently. Like I said earlier in one of the previous episodes, that you need to be making money before you even have money to invest. And the ability for you to make money mostly comes from human capital. So if your earning capacity is weak, your investment capacity will likely be weak also. It's not because opportunities don't exist. It's because your resources are limited. Remember the example I gave about wealth vehicles also. Someone using the vehicle of maybe aircraft to go to Abuja from Lagos, and someone that is using a car to go to Abuja from Lagos. Both of them will eventually get to Abuja, but how long it takes them is going to be different. So that is how it is. And your human capital helps you to make more money for you to have to invest in the first place. Now let's look at a real life example. Two people can start with the same 100,000 naira, but over time, one has strong skills and income growth, and the other has stagnant income. So even if both of them invest the same way, their outcomes will be completely different. Why? Because of human capital. Because what they are earning is increasing, and therefore what they can invest is increasing. But for the other person, what they are earning is the same, and therefore what they are investing maybe regularly is also the same. So they won't be able to grow their wealth as fast as the person that is earning more. So human capital is the only asset that can generate income by itself. They can appreciate with effort and learning, and can compound over time without external markets. And here is an important truth. Most financial progress problems are not investment problems. They are mostly income capacity problems. You need to earn money to invest money. And that is very important. I need to say that again. You need to earn money to invest money. So before you ask, what should I invest in? I think a better question would be, how do I increase what I can consistently earn so that I can have more money to invest? I think that's a better question. So if you improve your human capital, you will increase your cash flow, you increase your investment option, you reduce your financial stress, and you gain flexibility in financial decision making. The fastest way to improve your investment returns is not by finding better assets. It is by becoming a better income generating asset yourself. So each time you pay for a certification, or you take a professional course, or you learn a skill, or you invest time to get better at what you do, see it as an investment into your earning capacity. And your skill can also grow on the job or through volunteering. When you are working in an environment where there is growth potential, where there is opportunity for you to gain industry experience, it is also a form of investment. Beyond the money they are paying you in that place, see it as a form of investment. So seize every opportunity to develop your human capital. And that brings us to the end of all the asset classes. Now you understand financial assets, real assets, business assets, alternative assets, and human capital. So now what we're going to do is to zoom in into financial instruments, which is the first one. We're going to look at each of them one after the other. So, and that is where most people get technical. That is where most people begin to get confused. But you don't need to be confused about it, because we're going to break them down one after the other, all of the financial assets. So that's where we'll go from now. Thank you very much.